room tour of 10101 at Mandalay Bay. It's a king room. As you come in, you've got like a nice little entranceway, and then you've got your mini bar area with your do not touch fridge. Some of the stuff has already been slightly moved, but we've taken photos, so hopefully we won't get charged. You've got some drawer space, counter space, you've got a fire burning when you walk in. Then you've got a nice table to sit at. Jess has already claimed that as a makeup desk. Plenty of outlets on the wall. And then you've got a couple of chairs and a nice footrest and a little table over there. And then you've got a nice big king bed. It's sort of a cornery type room. I think this is just a standard king room. I'll double check and put it on the screen below, but I think that we've never stayed here before, so I think this is just a standard king, but it looks very nice. And you've got a big full length mirror there, and then you've got closet space, so you've got your big closet there, and then you've got another one this side of your iron and ironing board, and then there's sort of like a half closet that's got your safe in it as well. So it's a side safe, which is fine. And then into the bathroom, you've got double vanity, nice big mirror with great lighting, and then you've got a nice soaking tub, which Jess will be taking advantage of. A nice shower area, separate shower. And then your toilets in this door. Just a standard toilet. So yeah, it's quite a nice room. We're quite impressed with it. We've literally just turned up. So I'm doing a quick room tour before we mess it up, but we've just got off a 10-hour flight from London Heathrow, so we'll open the curtains and I'll do a quick video of what the view's like, because I think you'll get massive reflection, and then that'll be the end of the room tour. Thanks for watching, guys. Here's a view of the daytime for the room tour. It's quite a nice view. I did just try and do a time lapse. Unfortunately you get a reflection of the camera, but you're probably getting a reflection of the camera now, but it's quite a good view. You can see almost all of our Luxor pyramid, a bit of the Cosmo in the background. I don't know if you'll catch that in the camera. All of the now renamed W, Old Delano, and then obviously Allegiant Stadium, and all the mountains in the back. It's quite a nice view actually. So that's the view from our room. Catch you later, guys.